I'm at the back of the opera house. I'm standing in front of one mural, which is one of my favorite from Bosco. Yes, that's right. Sofia is home to some mural masterpieces, quirky street art and stylish graffiti. Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you over here, and today I've got a surprise, a different kind of vlog, a different kind of tour of Sofia. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the graffiti streets, which are like outdoor galleries, and we are going to explore the urban art scene of the Bulgarian capital. And we are going to start with the housing estate Hadzhi Dimatar, which is considered to be the mecca of street art in Sofia. After this, we're going to come back into the city center, where I will show you my favorite murals and street art over here. If that sounds interesting, come with me. The easiest way to go to Hadzhi Dimatar is to get the metro from the Eagles Bridge or any stop that allows a transfer to the Green Line. The first graffiti wall is only 10 minutes away from the metro station. In fact, all the murals are in a close proximity to each other and they are very easy to find. Hadzhi Dimatar is a housing estate which has boring buildings, like old communist style buildings. So these graffiti artists started making a lot of murals in these areas. This graffiti wall illustrates Grandpa Dobry, also known as the Saint of Bailovo, because he walked 20 kilometers each day to sit on the steps of Alexander Nevsky Cathedral and collect money for charitable causes. The artist of Grandpa Dobry is Nassimo, and the woman on this wall is also created by him. I'm back into the city center, and my walk will begin from the parking lot across the old town of Serdica. The graffiti wall of the Spanish lollipops Chupa Chups was created in 1995, which makes it one of the oldest murals in Sofia. The logo was designed by the Spanish artist Salvador Dali. This wall was completed in 8 hours and it's full of symbols. The eagle on the left is a symbol of the Eagles Bridge. In the middle you can see the statue of Saint Sofia, and on the right side you can see a cat, which is a symbol of the Lions Bridge. This mural is the work of Bosco. He is among my top 3 Bulgarian graffiti artists. On the opposite side, you can see a graffiti called Sardic Tulip. It was sponsored by the Embassy of the Netherlands as a symbol of the friendship between the two countries. If you have a closer look, you will see that the tulip is not typical. It's in between a rose and a tulip, and this new type of flower already carries Sofia's ancient name Serdica. So this mural is the most impressive mural from Bosco. It was created in 2019. The surrealistic style reminds me of Salvador Dali. By the way, there is a free graffiti walking tour in Sofia, and if you join it, the guide will explain to you all the terminology and the difference between graffiti and murals. The difference between the two is that graffiti is art that is written or painted on a wall without any permission, while the mural is a huge painting that is legal and usually covers the entire wall. I admit that some graffiti can look cool, but most of the times the wall is covered in random drawings and scribbles that ruin the facade and the property. Another interesting graffiti wall is the Dream Tree of Sofia. The artist has drawn all the temples, like Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, the synagogue, the mineral bath is here. We also have Saint Sofia and the mosque, and there are lots of penguins sitting on the benches drinking mineral water or beer. So the artist is called Mary Ann Lu, the penguin girl. She is from Singapore. Even the utility boxes are covered in graffiti. Most of them are along Rakovsky Street. The girl in the yellow dress is among my favorites. It was created by Stern, a graffiti artist who is originally from Plovdiv. Most of the murals in Kapana in Plovdiv were made by him. This is just another excellent work of Nassimo. He has already gained international recognition, and his murals bring joy to the people in Bulgaria, Canada, Germany, Russia, and Italy. You can find a lot of graffiti walls along the streets behind the mineral bath and the mineral water taps. This is Saint George, and it's created by Bosco. The idea behind this stunning mural is that the battle between the good and the evil is never ending, and that warriors get old and they don't always win. Trying to interpret the story behind each mural is probably the best part of exploring street art. Now I'm going to leave you with the splash of colors and graffiti walls I have prepared for you.